teachers, hi teachers, my name is Osaze. I live in Palembang, Criscencio vocal school. I want to sing a song my way music. And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I sing clear, I state my case, which I'm certain. I live a life that's full. I travel each and every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets, I had a few, but then again, few to mention. I did what I had to do, and I say it through without exception. I believe each charted toes, each careful step along the byway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Yes, there were times I'm sharing you when I bit off more than I could chew. But to the earth, when the was dark, I eat it up and spit it out. I fixed it up and I stood tall and did it my way. Love, I fought and cried. I had my fill, my share of losing, and now I still subside. I find love so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the things he truly feels, and not the one of what who is. Then he got shown